Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 10. To the ever steadfast, worshipping me with love, I give the Buddhi Yoga by which they come to me.
Chapter 10, Shloka 10. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te.
Chapter 10, Shloka 10. Having reached this stage of progress in their march, from where do the seekers gain their guidance and strength to fulfill their pilgrimage? The pilgrimage can be divided into three stages. A. Shifting the identification from the unreal to the real. B. Steadfastness in contemplation. And C. State of experience. Withdrawal of one's identification with the body, mind and intellect and its worlds of objects, emotions and thoughts is only possible when one has substituted it by the identification with the self. To the extent that a person gains a detachment from the painful embrace of the false, to that extent the individual gets attached to the truth. To those who have become steadfast in their contemplation on the self at all levels of their personality will be given the necessary strength and ability to cross over the ignorance and discover the truth. Only they are considered steadfast who constantly remember the principle of truth during all the activities, including the ups and downs. To those individuals who are steadily contemplating upon the self in an atmosphere of love, delight and contentment, identifying themselves with the infinite, to them the Lord promises, I give that Buddhi Yoga by which they come unto me. Buddhi Yoga is the right knowledge gained through meditation upon the infinite nature of the self. The powers of an intuitive awareness of the reality come only to such seekers in whom the maturity of a steady and continuous contemplation upon has come about. Thus, mind quietened, agitations arrested, wailings lifted, self experienced is the fulfillment of the Buddhi Yoga. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.